In today's digital world, the dream of quitting a 9-to-5 job to make a sustainable income as a content creator is more achievable than ever before. The rise of artificial intelligence has made the journey even smoother, allowing creators to focus more on creativity and less on the tedious, repetitive tasks that often slow them down. Picture this: you wake up in the morning, not to an alarm clock dragging you to a job you dread, but to the thought of creating content that excites you. Content that not only engages your audience but also brings in serious cash. The beauty of being a content creator today is that you don't have to start from scratch, thanks to AI. These tools can amplify your reach, save time, and even automate parts of the process so that you can scale your income faster. The first step to making $20,000 per month as a content creator is to understand your niche. Not just any niche, but one that has a demand in the market, resonates with you personally, and can be monetized. This is where AI tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT can come into play. Use them to brainstorm niche ideas, identify trending topics, and even generate content ideas that your audience craves. The key is to leverage AI not just as a tool but as a collaborator that can spark creativity and give you a clear direction. Building a strong brand identity is non-negotiable in this journey. It's not just about creating content but creating content that aligns with your unique voice and personality. AI tools like Canva or Lumen 5 help you design visuals and videos that are on brand, without needing advanced graphic design skills. When your brand becomes recognizable and trusted, it lays the groundwork for you to monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even your own products. Let's talk about consistency. Consistency is what turns casual viewers into loyal followers and loyal followers into paying customers. AI can help you schedule and automate your content, ensuring you never miss a post. Platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite allow you to set up a content calendar, where you can plan weeks or even months ahead. This automation frees up your time to focus on what matters most, creating high-quality content that genuinely connects with your audience. Next, think about how to diversify your income streams as a content creator. Relying on just one platform or one revenue source is risky. Use AI-driven tools to expand your reach to other platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even podcasts. Tools like Descript can help you repurpose your content into different formats, turning a single piece of content into videos, blog posts, and audio clips, each tailored to a specific platform. The more places your content lives, the higher the chance of attracting a wider audience and making more money. Engagement is your best friend when it comes to growing as a content creator. AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat can be integrated into your social media or website to engage with your audience 24/7. These bots answer questions, offer recommendations, and guide your followers towards the next step, whether that's joining your email list or purchasing a product you recommend. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, working around the clock to build your community. Let's not forget about the power of data. Data-driven decisions can make or break your journey to that $20,000 a month goal. AI tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot provide insights into what's working and what isn't. You get to see which content drives the most traffic, what topics your audience loves, and where you should focus your energy for maximum returns. This approach isn't just smart, it's essential to growing your brand sustainably. As a content creator aiming for high income, collaboration is key. Partner with brands and influencers who align with your values. AI can help streamline these partnerships by analyzing social media trends and identifying influencers who share a similar audience. Tools like BuzzSumo and Upfluence simplify this process, making it easier to connect with the right partners to expand your reach and credibility. Another game changer in reaching that $20,000 per month milestone is digital products. Courses, ebooks, or exclusive memberships are perfect for leveraging your expertise. With the help of AI, you can create these products faster and more efficiently. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific allow you to set up a digital course in no time, using AI to structure content, create quizzes, and automate student communication. The best part is, once you've created these digital products, they generate passive income while you focus on scaling your brand. Now, the elephant in the room: how do you quit your job with confidence? The secret is to start by building a financial safety net. Transitioning into full-time content creation can be daunting, so it's wise to save enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This safety net allows you to focus on growing your brand without the constant worry of financial instability. With AI on your side, you have a partner that can accelerate your progress, unlock new opportunities, and help you build a career that is both fulfilling and profitable. One overlooked strategy in the content creation space is the concept of hyper-personalization. While AI can create generic content that appeals to a broad audience, using AI to develop content tailored specifically to niche segments of your audience can significantly boost engagement and conversion rates. Tools like Pasado and Phrase utilize AI to craft personalized messages that resonate with specific audience groups, leading to higher click-through rates and ultimately more income opportunities. This approach isn't just about creating more content but making content that feels like it's speaking directly to the person consuming it. Let's explore the untapped potential of AI in video content enhancement. Beyond simple editing, AI-driven tools like Runway ML or Synthesia can be used to create high-quality video content without the need for expensive production equipment. These tools allow you to generate realistic video effects, animations, and even synthetic actors to bring your creative ideas to life, making your videos look as if they were produced on a big budget. This helps you stand out in a crowded market and can attract higher-paying brand deals due to the professional quality of your visuals. To maximize your growth, consider diving into data-driven storytelling. AI tools like Tableau and Google Data Studio help transform complex data into engaging visual stories that your audience can relate to and understand. Using data in storytelling makes your content not only more informative but also more credible, leading your audience to see you as a thought leader in your niche. This reputation is essential when aiming to land bigger sponsorship deals and collaborations that will contribute to reaching that $20,000 milestone. Leveraging AI for audience prediction is another game changer. Tools like Crimton and Cortex use machine learning algorithms to predict what type of content will be trending in the future based on current data patterns. Imagine the advantage of creating content that is set to go viral before it even starts trending. This proactive content creation strategy can help you stay ahead of the curve, positioning you as a leader in your field and driving more organic traffic and engagement to your platform. Monetizing your content doesn't always have to be about ads and sponsorships. AI can help you tap into the booming digital economy by creating NFTs, non-fungible tokens, for your digital content. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible let you create unique digital assets that your audience can purchase or trade. This is a fresh way to monetize your creativity while adding exclusivity to your offerings. Fans are willing to pay a premium for unique content that they can own, and NFTs are an innovative way to turn your digital creations into a new income stream. In terms of content discovery and distribution, AI-based platforms like TubeBuddy and vidIQ go beyond keyword optimization. They analyze competitor content and provide insights into gaps in the market that you can fill with your unique style. Imagine creating content that not only matches your audience's interest but also strategically fills a void in the content landscape, making your videos more discoverable and valuable to viewers. Consider the power of voice and conversational AI to deepen audience engagement. Smart speakers and AI assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant are becoming more common in households. Creating voice-activated content or podcasts that are optimized for these devices can open up a new channel to reach your audience. Tools like VoiceFlow make it easy to develop voice apps that interact with your followers, creating a more intimate connection while broadening your reach into the world of smart technology. Another powerful yet underutilized strategy is AI-powered interactive content. Using platforms like Outgrow or Interact, you can create quizzes, polls, and interactive surveys that not only engage your audience but also gather valuable data on their preferences and needs. This data is golden when it comes to creating future content that is precisely tailored to what your audience wants to see, increasing your chances of creating viral hits and boosting your overall engagement. Automation is great, but AI also allows you to humanize your automation. Chatbots are typically seen as robotic, but with tools like Drift and MobileMonkey, you can design AI-powered chatbots that speak in your brand's voice and mimic your tone and personality. This makes the experience more personal and engaging for your followers, helping to build stronger relationships and trust with your audience, which is crucial for converting them into paying customers. To scale your reach internationally, AI-driven translation and localization tools like DeepL and Transifex can help adapt your content for a global audience. Translating your videos, blogs, or social media posts into multiple languages opens up your brand to a whole new demographic. It's a direct way to tap into new markets without creating entirely new content, thereby maximizing the impact of your existing work. Lastly, use AI to automate and optimize your financial strategy as a content creator. Platforms like QuickBooks with AI-driven analytics can help you track your income streams, expenses, and even forecast future earnings based on your current growth trajectory. This financial clarity allows you to make smarter investments in your content and scale your operations efficiently, ensuring that you can confidently make the transition from your day job to a full-time creator earning $20,000 or more per month. Incorporating these advanced AI strategies into your content creation journey can not only amplify your growth but also ensure that you are working smarter, not harder. The key is to continuously innovate, leverage the latest AI technology, and stay adaptable to the ever-evolving digital landscape to reach your financial goals and beyond.